Breathing is the most fundamental act of life. From the moment we take our first inhale at birth to our final exhale in death, every breath sustains us, yet few truly understand the immense power contained within it. Breathing is not merely a biological function. It is a direct link between the body, mind, and spirit. Across history, civilizations have revered the breath as a bridge between the physical, mental, and spiritual realms. It has been seen as a conduit for divine energy, a mechanism for healing, and a tool for personal transformation. Today, modern science is catching up with what the ancients knew. Breathing shapes our biology, our emotions, and even our destiny. By developing an awareness of the breath and harnessing its potential, we can influence our well-being at every level, from cellular health to emotional stability and spiritual enlightenment. Ancient traditions and the sacred breath. Many ancient traditions recognized breathing as more than just a physiological necessity. It was seen as a tool for enlightenment, healing, and connection to the divine. In Hinduism and Buddhism, the practice of pranayama emerged thousands of years ago as a method to control life force, prana, through breath. This disciplined breathwork was integrated into yogic practices to facilitate higher states of consciousness and self-mastery. Similarly, the Chinese Taoists explored Qigong breathing to balance and cultivate internal energy, qi, believing that breath was essential for longevity and harmony with nature. Indigenous cultures such as the Native Americans and Aboriginal Australians used rhythmic breathing in their spiritual ceremonies to enter altered states of consciousness, communicate with the spirit world, and heal physical and emotional ailments. The Sufis of Islam engaged in zikr, a form of breath-focused chanting that led to ecstatic states, fostering a deepened connection with the divine. Likewise, the ancient Greeks, including Pythagoras, recognized breath as a means of enhancing mental clarity and self-mastery, integrating breath awareness into philosophical and meditative practices. These traditions reveal a universal understanding. Controlled breathing is not only a means of sustaining life, but also a powerful key to unlocking human potential in profound ways. The physiology of breath, modern insights. In the modern era, breathing has been extensively studied, revealing its profound effects on our physiology. Deep, controlled breathing influences the autonomic nervous system, shifting us from a state of fight or flight, sympathetic, to rest and digest, parasympathetic. This transition is crucial in regulating stress responses, enhancing relaxation, and promoting homeostasis in the body. The vagus nerve, a key component of this system, is highly responsive to breath regulation, influencing heart rate variability, digestion, and inflammation. The stimulation of the vagus nerve through deep breathing techniques has been linked to reduced anxiety, improved mood, and greater resilience to stress. Breathing also alters oxygen and carbon dioxide levels, optimizing brain function and energy metabolism. Studies have shown that conscious breathing can reduce blood pressure, improve digestion, and even enhance immune function, demonstrating that something as simple as breath control can have cascading benefits throughout the entire body. Furthermore, intentional breathwork has been found to increase lung capacity, support detoxification, and improve circulation, all of which contribute to enhanced physical and mental well-being. By understanding the physiological impact of breath, we can use it as a proactive tool for maintaining and improving our health on multiple levels. Breathing and the nervous system, a neuroscientific perspective. Neuroscientists have discovered that breath directly affects brainwave patterns, emotional regulation, and cognitive function. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for higher-order thinking and decision-making, becomes more active when breathing is slow and deliberate, leading to improved focus, problem-solving, and self-awareness. Conversely, rapid and shallow breathing, often a byproduct of stress, heightens amygdala activity, making us more reactive and anxious. This explains why individuals experiencing panic attacks or high levels of stress often hyperventilate, exacerbating their emotional distress. The rhythmic nature of breath can entrain the brain into states of relaxation, creativity, and deep focus, leading some researchers to explore breath as a therapeutic tool for anxiety, PTSD, and depression. Studies have shown that deep rhythmic breathing can synchronize neural oscillations, creating a harmonious balance between emotional and cognitive processing. Additionally, breathwork has been found to stimulate the release of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which are associated with feelings of happiness and well-being. As research continues to unfold, the link between breath and brain function becomes increasingly evident, reinforcing the idea that by mastering the breath, we can shape our mental landscape in profound ways. Breathing and epigenetics, the inherited breath. Our breathing patterns are not entirely our own. They are influenced by genetics and epigenetics, modifications in gene expression due to environmental influences. If our parents or ancestors endured chronic stress, trauma, or poor breathing habits, those patterns may have been passed down, affecting how we breathe today. Studies show that trauma can alter gene expression and nervous system regulation, meaning we may inherit dysfunctional breathing habits linked to anxiety and stress. For example, if a parent experienced chronic hypervigilance due to childhood trauma, their altered breathing patterns might be subconsciously adopted by their children, perpetuating a cycle of shallow, restricted breathing. However, through conscious breathing, we can reprogram our nervous system and alter gene expression in a way that promotes resilience, health, and well-being. Breathwork has the potential to reverse epigenetic markers of stress, fostering a greater sense of balance and calm in both the present and future generations. Understanding this connection empowers us to break the cycle of inherited stress responses and create a legacy of healthier breathing for those who come after us. By embracing breath as a tool for epigenetic transformation, we unlock the potential to not only heal ourselves, but also contribute to the well-being of our lineage. Breathing and future generations. Since our breathing patterns can be inherited, the way we breathe today influences not just our health, but that of our children and grandchildren. When we adopt deep, regulated breathing, we model and biologically pass down a more balanced nervous system. Pregnant mothers who practice breathwork contribute to healthier fetal development, reducing the likelihood of anxiety-related disorders in their offspring. This highlights breath as a key component in shaping the future of human well-being. By cultivating optimal breathing habits, we can foster intergenerational resilience, providing a foundation for healthier nervous systems and emotional well-being in the generations that follow. The recognition that our breath carries the imprints of both past and future generations serves as a reminder of the profound interconnectedness of our existence. By engaging in breath awareness practices today, we create ripples of healing and transformation that extend far beyond ourselves, positively influencing the evolutionary trajectory of our collective human experience. The next time you take a breath, remember, with each inhale, you invite life, and with each exhale, you release the past. The breath is your bridge to a higher existence. Top 10 breathing practices for healing and transformation. 1. Diaphragmatic breathing engages the diaphragm fully, promoting relaxation and oxygenation. 2. Box breathing. Inhaling, holding, exhaling, and holding again for equal counts. Enhances focus and stress resilience. 3. 4 to 7 to 8 breathing. A technique to calm the nervous system and promote sleep. 4th. Alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana, balances the left and right hemispheres of the brain, improving mental clarity. 5. Holotropic breathwork. Intense breathing to access deep emotional and spiritual states. 6. Wim Hof method, a combination of deep breathing and cold exposure to enhance endurance and immune function. 7. Rebirthing breathwork, uses connected breathing to heal past traumas and emotions. 8. Tummo breathing, a Tibetan practice to generate inner heat and heightened awareness. 9. Resonant, coherent breathing. Breathing at a rate of 5 to 6 breaths per minute to optimize heart rate variability. 10th ocean, Ujjayi. Breathing. a deep, whispery breath used in yoga to enhance meditative states and lung capacity. Thank you for spending time here at the International World Wisdom Well and learning from this carefully curated teaching audiobook. Cultivating global happiness, well-being, and compassionate wisdom, inside and out, together. Join us in our mission to enhance the world while nurturing inner wisdom, one drop at a time. This is a gift from our hearts to yours. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share with those who may benefit. Please enjoy a visit to www.worldwisdomwell.com and spend some time with our collection of well-being resources. May you be well. May you be happy.